Okay, so I gave ChatGPT O1 this functional equation problem. This problem, by the way, which I link in the description, a problem by Dr. Baker, a really good channel. And I asked it to give me a hint first, which it did. Then I asked it to solve for f of 4, and I noticed that this here is a mistake, because we actually don't get two different equations. We get it just expressed the same equation in another form. It just changed the variables. So it actually gave the incorrect answer. It said f of 4 is equal to 270, which is wrong. Then I asked the Pro mode, O1 Pro mode, and it did give me the correct answer, which is 215. And this solution looks more complicated than the one in the video, I think, but it gave me the correct answer. Also, I asked it to explain why the solution given by the one model was wrong, and it actually explained. The solution incorrectly treats the relationship between x and y as if it creates a second independent equation for x. For f, in reality, substituting y back into the original functional equation does not produce a new independent equation. Okay, misinterpretation of symmetry. The variable y is not an arbitrary second variable. It's defined explicitly in terms of x by y. Okay, and it's explained me in detail, which is very good, very interesting actually. That one O1 failed, but O1 Pro mode actually got it right. It's a challenging problem. By the way, I also asked DeepSeek to solve it. Okay, we see here, first off, functional equation can be tricky indeed. Indeed they are. And then it went on to think for a long time, this long chain of thought, trying a lot of different approaches, different methods. See how long this is. This seems overly complicated. I think I've accepted the straightforward approaches. Then I found this last line a bit funny. It says, at this point, I think I need to step back and consider that there might be a different method or insight required to solve this problem effectively. It might be helpful to consult additional resources or seek guidance from someone with more experience in solving functional equations. And then it gave me a wrong answer to 120, which this is obviously wrong. So O1 couldn't solve it, DeepSeek couldn't solve it, but O1 Pro mode could solve it. That's very, very interesting.